Welcome to our DMC YouTube channel. For this episode, I will share to you guys how to actually upload your Instagram stories from your phone's gallery. It's super simple and let's check it out now. I will just log into my gallery and I will choose the photos that I want to post. So here's the pictures that I'm going to post on my Instagram story right now. And first of all, you're going to click the share button. And after that, you have to click on the stories. And then this picture, it will go to these stories. Okay. So just like usual, you can adjust it like normal, okay? And also you can push some hashtag, okay? So for this one, it's actually some Monday motivation for my post. I will just put some hashtag like Monday motivation. And then once done, I will just hide it behind. It depends on which area you want to put. For my cases, I will just put it on bottom here, okay? And I will choose some nice pictures. I will just type in some nice like motivation, like work, and I'll put it here. Okay, so after done, what I'll do is just like usual, I will put a check-in. Okay, I will check it in Kuala Lumpur. After done, I will just post my story like usual, and I will just post. So once you post, right, just wait for a few seconds, and you can see my post is done, which is 8 seconds ago. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye.